Retighten all end cap bolts to ensure that the end caps are fully seated. Lubricate all surfaces of the gasket with the provided silicone lubricant to ensure easy assembly and closure re-entry. Slide the end plate gasket onto the end plate and press into the groove. Make sure the foot of the gasket is fully seated in the groove of the end plate. Work the gasket into the groove. Slide the organizer into the dome. Compress the end plate into the dome and guide it into the collar channel. Only attempt to install one half of the collar. Check to make sure the lip of the dome is captured within the collar channel before closing the other half of the collar onto the closure. Secure the collar with the latch and pin.